Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to apply dark mode on Snapchat. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your Snapchat app. And now, just go ahead and click on your profile at the upper left corner of your screen. Click on the settings icon or button at the upper right corner of your screen. Now, just go ahead and scroll down until you see the app appearance option. So just go ahead and click on that. And then here, you can see the always dark option. So just go ahead and choose that. And now, as you can see, the appearance changed. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.